Hi guys, so today I want to show you an interesting use case that you can do with curation. So basically, one of the best way to build a very good list of leads that are interested in your product is to actually get that list from people who engage with some post on LinkedIn. So social intent, that's the way they call it, is when someone like a post or comment a post that is talking about a problem or a company, your competitor for instance, they're very likely to respond to your email. That's what Triggerify is doing. And so here is one example that actually a client of mine sent me. So this is a post talking about Clay, my main competitor. You can see you get a lot of people here that engage, and you've got 97 comments and repost. So not everything is relevant, but that's all right. We can clean it. We can clean the list with curation. So the way it works is you just need to copy paste that LinkedIn post into curation. I'll just take my cookie here from the Chrome extension and I'll just click scrape. And so it'll take a few minutes. Yeah, it will take a few minutes to get that list. Once you have it, you will be able to remove the people who are not relevant, they're not part of your ICP. Then you can enrich with the email, trying to gather a bit more intelligence on those profiles. And then you can download the list and put it into campaign, let's say using Smart Lead, which is the tool I use. All right, wonderful. So I got my list here. It's not completely scraped completely. 67, so don't have all of them. I think it's coming. Okay, so I've got my list here. Now I need to remove things that are not relevant or people who are not part of my ICP. First thing I'll do is I will actually enrich the profile of each person. So I'm going to use the people LinkedIn. I'm going to extract the profile of those people. Okay, so I'm going to scrape that. I'm going to run this for all. Okay, wonderful. As you can see, I've got the title, I've got the location, I've got the industry, the part of the education. So I got some fair amount of information about all those people. Now, there are probably some people that I don't want to talk to because they're my competitors. So what I'll do here is I'm actually going to extract what do I care about. The summary, that's useful. Location is useful as well. Positions, that's useful as well. Industry, not so much. Okay, so I'm going to extract that. Okay, so you see it's populating. Actually, location is not going to be so useful. Now the company, that's useful, especially if they are a competitor. I'll just remove the people from Clay. Find that for me. So I'll pass what I'm going to pass is the position. Please let me know if the person is working in the company called Clay. I'll put yes if this is the case, no if that's not the case. Okay, so I'm going to run this. That's going to help me see if the person, maybe I also want to only target the people who actually had a positive comment here. So what I'm going to do, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool called categorization. And what I'm going to pass, I'm going to pass the comment, and I'm going to be positive comment, negative comment, okay, positive comment, just positive comment. That's self-explanatory actually. Negative comment, and so we can actually test. Clay is great, I love it. Boom, positive comment. So I can test a few prompts. Great to see such an automation tool. Pricing is okay. Actually, I'm going to also add a neutral. Can't tell if it's positive or negative. All right, so now I have my little tool. I can run that, and this is going to help me. Okay, so I need to run that again. All right, now it means here I only have people who do not, just not. Okay, nice. And then only going to comment, so neutral. Now, if I wanted to be even more targeted, I could actually analyze the occupation and only target people who are very relevant. Now, I do believe that if they engage with the post and they have a positive comment, they are interested. So I'm not going to do further research, but I could have had that analysis. So it's mostly positive. We've got a bunch of neutral. So I'm going to keep it quite broad. Now I just want to get the email, so I'm going to pass the profile link, and I'm just going to enrich the email. All right, so I got the email. Not all the emails are going to be fine. It's okay. Yeah. Once I have all my emails, I can just click download. I'll have the file, and then I can actually send a campaign using the first name. It's actually clean. You got a interesting. You can actually do it manually. Stephanie. Just save that. Okay, cool. That's a very nice list. Now what I'm going to do is I only want to keep. I'm only going to download. I can actually also verify that email is working. So I can validate the email so it doesn't bounce. So I'm going to run this. Now what I can do is I can actually only run that if there's an email, but it's fine. I'll just run everything. Oh, didn't run here. Not sure why. And so what I will do is I will only keep validate email if it's dirty variable, and I will also, so now I'll just wait a little bit, and so now I can download this file. It's right here. I got my file strict, so some emails are risky. So what I can do is I can just make sure email contains, there's an email. I run that, and you can see I've got about 40 emails. Oh yeah, didn't click for all, that's why. Yeah, so more emails are deliverable. Nice, so now I just download this, I got all my emails, and I can start a campaign automatically.